Okay, so for my midterm test, I'm gonna interview my classmates talking about their career aspiration. So the career aspiration and this interview gonna talk about the career goals, they and how they make it, and how the challenges they face it. Good morning, everyone. My name is Faiza. So today I'm going to interview my classmate Lucy. The topic is about career aspirations. Okay, the first question, Lucy. What kind of job or career do you want to pursue in the future?
For me, the job or career I want to pursue is to become a subtitle creator for video games or a story writer who creates stories in video games, into video games.
Okay, that's interesting, yeah. The next question, what makes you interested in that profession?
Actually, I am interested in this because I enjoy it. I enjoy the video game. Since I was a child, I have known about video games and have played some of them. I am very interested in the storylines.
Okay, and then when did you first become interested in this field?
When I was in high school, I think I became interested in learning more about this. I started to look at this for what I could study if I wanted to go deeper into it.
Okay, the last question, what skills do you think are important for this job?
Of course, I think language skills, writing skills, and interested in creating a story. I think, yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's it. Okay, thank you, Lucy. Okay, so I'm gonna interview my second classmate, Kiko. So Kiko, I wanna ask about career aspiration. The first question is, what kind of job or career do you want to pursue in the future?
Actually, there's a lot of dream that I want to achieve, but I'm just gonna ask a few things that I really wanted to do. First, I want to pursue a career that allows me to make a meaningful impact, either as a teacher, a writer, or even working in a creative field related to literature or education.
Oh, wow, that's interesting. Okay, the second is, what makes you interested in that profession?
Oh, actually, I've always loved stories, especially the deeper meanings behind them. And literature has helped me understand life, emotions, and people better. I want to writing or simply being someone who inspire people to think deeply. I also want a career that align with my value, like kindness and something like that.
Oh, okay. Next question is, when did you first become interested in this field?
I think it started back when I was in high school. I first read The Little Prince, the book novella by the French author, and then the book really changed the way I see the world. And since then, I've become more and more interested in literature and how powerful words can be.
Okay, the last question, what skills do you think are important for this job?
I think the skills is to write is you have to have a skill to read also. So you cannot make a good writing if you don't know how to read properly, and then read deeper into the deeper meaning. Yeah, I think that's it.
Oh, so you need to read a lot of books too, maybe, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's all for the question. Thank you so much, Kiko. Okay. So I'm gonna interview my classmate, my last classmate. Here there's Kamel. So Kamel, I'm gonna interview you about career aspiration. Question is, what kind of job or career do you want to pursue in the future?
In the future, I personally
really want to be a writer, either it's a novel writer or like a journalist, anything that have something to do with writing. I think I want to be that kind of person, or like a job that I would want to take someday.
Okay. So the next question is, what makes you interested in that profession?
I think growing up, uh, I always loved to read and write, and I found a heaven in writing and reading. So I think I really want to pass that feeling to everyone in the world. I want people to feel what I felt by reading and writing. So I really want to be a writer because of that.
Oh, that's really cool. The next question is, when did you first become interested in this field?
Again, growing up, I always loved reading. So I always think about how these people can write amazing phrases, books, novels in such a beautiful way, and I think that's what really got into me. I want to learn how to express myself without actually expressing it. So that is how. But practically, I want to be a writer since I was in middle school. The first time I've ever actually write is when I was still in middle school.
Wow, that's took a long time, yeah? Okay. And the last question is, what skills do you think are important for this job?
I personally think critical thinking, vocabulary, grammar. I think basically the willingness to do it. It doesn't need to be perfect, but when we know what we're going to talk about in our writing, whatever it is, I think the willingness is the most important things to start this field for me.
Okay. And it maybe need a lot of more practice too, right?
Yeah, practice.
Okay.
A lot of practice.
Practice. Okay, that's all, Kamel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Reflection for this interview is, having this interview was actually really insightful for me because it wasn't about asking question. It feels like more a real conversation with them, where I got to understand um, someone else's point of view about their career goals, and it made me realize that having a strong sense of direction can really boost someone's confidence and motivation. Overall, having this conversation was really eye-opening. It's cool to see how someone else think about their future and the steps they are taking to get that. And of course, everyone have a different way to get that, and that was totally fine with that. And what the matters is knowing what you want, being willing to work for it, and staying open to learn along the way along the way they to get it.